Hello my hypnotic friends, hope you're well, hope you're fine. Just thought I'd let you know on the 4th, 5th and 6th of September 2006, I'll be holding a 3-day masterclass with me. First day is going to be about techniques, ideas, and it's going to smash through most of the stuff that you lot are worried about all day long. I'm going to break it down into component parts. I'm going to show you what I do on a daily basis with my clients, and I'm going to save you an enormous amount of money. Second day is going to be about business development, business growth, and how you can do things and build and build and build. That is all I'm interested in. You know me, I'm not interested one fucking iota on your certificates or what fucking things you've got behind your name. I'm interested in you developing a business and earning the money back. Third day, we're going to be doing nothing but social media. You are going to be using all of my equipment and a lot of training to get your videos out there, to get you bump started, to get you confident in that. So 3 days of non-stop confidence building. To top that, there will be a firewalk on one of the nights. We will be walking on coals and we will be walking on glass as well. We're going to be doing stuff that you think you can't do right now, but by the time I finish with you, you will be doing it over and over and over and over again. And everyone who's ever done it with me before knows you will. Don't be scared. The reason, if you are scared, you should be on this course. Link is below. Take care for now. See you soon.